Yeah, good question, Connie. You're trying to make the last time you play Funiculi Funicula more dynamic on the bass side. Can you offer some suggestions? Uh, and if you really want to go wild, depends how many times you've played through it and who you're playing for. I sometimes like going half speed. Totally out of left field. Let me show you. Depends if there's an audience. I'll kind of like lift it up and go ra da 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 ra da 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 ra da da back to normal speed. Da, ba, 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 ba. So it requires like lifting up the crowd. So let me show you. So we're gonna do I'll play it once through, and then the last time we'll do it. We kind of do it for If I Was a Rich Man, If I Were a Rich Man. So a few things that we do there. What a fun song. And I would really play up the slowdown. So the last time we did I'm omitting the and just doing the pa. So instead of doing pa, 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 I'm omitting the and just doing ba 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 ba, and I'm including both the root and the chord. Ba 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 ba. Back to normal. Ba da ba da ba da ba da ba ba da ba 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 ba. Ya da 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 da. So you can really have fun with it. On Accordion Love, on advanced left-hand techniques, we do it for klezmer. It's called like making the bass pop. Making the left hand pop. There are a few examples here of the ta 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 ta. It's playing the upbeat. It's instead of hitting the downbeat. Da 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 da. I remember my old office. Very cool. So give those a try. Slowing down is also such a huge. You have so much power when you slow a song down. It's like. Right, really cool. If you're playing for an audience, play it up. I love that. My soul fills up when people sing. Wonderful. Cool.